Hello. Welcome. And today I want to introduce my small tool to work with Google Cloud Schoolbook e-learning website. This one, right? So the website we have many learning part over there. For example, this one, a lot of them, about 50 something or 100 something. I don't remember, but and each of them, I mean, is a learning part. We have multiple call, right? And each of them, for example, this one contain a lot of lesson. Some of them are video, some of them are documents, some of them are lab, and some of them are question like this one, right? Knowledge check, right? So by default, manually you go through all of them one after one. But the thing here, let's say for video like this one, it costs you a lot of time, and I prefer textbook over video because for the video it will take you the whole time to go through. You cannot pull or let it run over there, right? That's why I prefer the textbook. And when it comes to textbook, we don't have here some of the learning part we have. Yeah, some of the learning part we have here, but not all of them. So my idea here is to pull all of them back to my local machine. Mm. And from there, I have my own library like this one. So for example, we have this one, Cloud Architect Learning Part, like this one, right? We have a lot of cards here, right? Learning cards here, right? And you see, it shows you the progress. It shows you the let us let it download first. Now it's not finished the downloads yet. But here I want to show you here this one. You can actually uh, see the progress right here, right? And it will give you a very uh, good uh, structure to flow. Let it run. And here is all the relationship between all the component on the uh, from the learning. What does this mean? Well, we have one learning part, and that learning part contain multiple code, right? And one code may belong to one or more learning part. For example, this one, right, up to my course on Google Cloud Storage. It belongs to Google Cloud Nights 2021 and okay, associate data practitioner learning part. And many of them like that one. I think this one is security cloud architect. Yeah, as you can see here, something like this one. So this one, if for example, this one is show you the some property like what the name, ID of the card, URL, public date, right? The date, the last time the update the card the cost get update here, right? You see all the uh, outline over here. So it very easy for you to flow, and we don't have a progress here because why? This one do not come with any lab, so that's why we don't have progress here. But when to come to like something like this one, right? You see it highlight the quit here so you can access easily right here. The same to other like this one here, right? So when we go back here, we have the second one, this one. You see, okay, when you see on the very bottom, you see that, okay, so this card here preparing for your ABC is belong to cloud architect learning part. And when you go to that file, you see, okay, this file here, we have one, right? We have one here. They're preparing for your cloud architect. And second one have been downloaded here. Though get gray out here, that means the file do not existing yet and being downloaded here. And let me click on this one. It will go there, right? So you see the last time the code get updated. And because why? If you complete this code last year, you may want to review this year. Again, why? Because here we have on this year we have new thing, new module here. This is about prompt engineering for AI and so on. Right? Yeah. So that's the purpose of this Python tool. I will share you um, the link in the description. And one last problem I have with this one here is the transcript and from the video come like a boon of text like this one. I need to separate them. I need to reformat them into like uh an like textbook, right? We cannot read something like this one. At the moment, we can utilize Gemini, ChatGPT, I mean any LLM platform or model over there, but I have access to Gemini because we have about $1,000 credits per month. But the thing here, I found that Gemini do not return a good uh, result. It do not return a good output. I expect to, and that's why I do see this one. LA MA from Facebook. This one only 3 billion or 8 billion give me a very good output. I have tried to hmm, turning the Gemini, but it do not. I mean, like about 60 or 70% of the output on quality compared to this one, LLM, this one here. So you can see something like this one. I will give you an example. So it's not a oh sorry, it's not a bundle of text anymore. It formatted correctly, properly, and look very good. I will copy this one and I paste here. I just want to show you the output. Sorry, yeah, 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 something like this one, right? Something like this one is easier to flow. And but my machine cannot run this on in the real time because my machine is not powerful enough for this one. I think we need some powerful PC or laptop with GPU or some Apple Silicon machine for this one. Because why? You can enable server here and you can let the script call to API here and have you to complete all the tasks here. So you no need to complete this one manually. But the thing here, again, my machine is not capable for this one. So in In the future, if I find some good option for running for connect to LLA, what LLAMA, or could be get a better output from Gemini, I will consider to add more feature here. But at the moment, this script comes with an option to generate um, prompt for the video. That would be on a different video because this one's quite long now. And for that one, you may not need to compile a prompt manually and anymore. Yeah, it will give you some prompt like this one, topic, title, and prompt, and so on. And from there, you can copy and paste over here or any other LLM prompt or chat to get output. But in long term, to do that, yeah, we are better to utilize some API connection, API call. But the thing is about, yeah, it's not about technical, but it's about money, credit, right? So when you go back here, you see all the document have been compiled properly with a very good formatting like this one. You can even export this one to uh, PDF, right? Use something like this one. From there, with a very good like formatting here, you can export it to or even printing, but that doesn't matter. You can input to notebook LM from Google or anywhere LM for learning paper, right? Or you can bring this one to your iPad and so on. So that's the idea when you have some textbook uh, handy, right? And here you see the formatting is quite nice to work with. If you bring this one to your iPad and you learn like just like a textbook you buy, right? So I will give you the link, and I hope that everyone enjoyed this one. And it's free for you to contribute, and every contribution to the code is welcome. Thank you. Bye bye.